Welcome back, smart shoppers, to another episode of Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into a showdown between the Apple MacBook Pro with the M3 chip and the HP Stream 14 inches laptop. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. Let's start with the price. The Apple MacBook Pro comes in at a hefty $1,599, while the HP Stream is a much more budget-friendly $399. Reviewers often note that while the MacBook Pro is expensive, its quality and performance justify the price. On the other hand, the HP Stream is praised for being a great value, especially for those on a tight budget. When it comes to performance, the MacBook Pro is a beast with its 8-core CPU and 10-core GPU, making it perfect for demanding tasks like video editing and gaming. Reviewers rave about its smooth performance and powerful capabilities. The HP Stream, equipped with an Intel Celeron N4120, is more suited for basic tasks like checking emails and streaming videos. It's a good choice for lighter use, as noted by many users. Display quality is another important factor. The MacBook Pro features a stunning 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display with over 1,000 nits of brightness. Reviewers love the vibrant and sharp display. The HP Stream, with its 14-inch HD BrightView display, is decent, but doesn't quite match up to the MacBook's brilliance. It's good enough for everyday tasks, but don't expect ultra-high definition. Battery life can make or break your mobile experience. The MacBook Pro offers up to 22 hours of battery life, which users find incredibly convenient for long days of work or entertainment. The HP Stream provides around 9 hours, which is respectable but not quite in the same league. Reviewers appreciate the MacBook's endurance, while the HP Stream's battery life is seen as adequate for daily use. Next, let's talk about ports and connectivity. The MacBook Pro is well equipped with a MagSafe charging port, 2 Thunderbolt USB 4 ports, an SDXC card slot, an HDMI port, and a headphone jack. Reviewers appreciate the versatility and connectivity options. The HP Stream also comes with a good variety of ports: 1 USB-C, 2 USB-A, HDMI, a media card reader, and a headphone/mic combo. It's practical and functional, as noted by users. For camera and audio quality, the MacBook Pro features a 1080p FaceTime HD camera and a 6-speaker sound system with spatial audio, which is highly praised by reviewers for video calls and media consumption. The HP Stream has a 720p HD camera and decent audio, which are sufficient for basic needs. Reviewers find the MacBook's camera and audio to be superior, while the HP Stream's offerings are seen as adequate. Overall, reviewers find the Apple MacBook Pro M3 chip to be a high-performing, versatile machine that's worth the investment for those needing top-tier capabilities. The HP Stream 14 inches laptop is praised for its affordability and practicality, making it a solid choice for basic, everyday tasks. So, there you have it. The MacBook Pro M3 chip is a powerhouse for those who need top-tier performance and are willing to invest in it, while the HP Stream 14 inches laptop is a budget-friendly option for everyday tasks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about which one you prefer and why. Links to both products are in the description. Until next time, keep shopping smart.